Welcome to breaking news here at One Shot Corporation.
With an unbelievably huge and exciting global presence, with nearly 2 billion portions consumed globally and market share gains, we have the infrastructure and economies of scale to meet your needs and demands.
We are dispensing delicious Il Primo ice cream and frozen yogurt from our One Shot pod dispensers.
It is also highly exciting that we are also replacing traditional soft-serve machines at numerous locations across the globe, along with dramatic gains in international market share.
And remember everyone, our one-shot ice cream and frozen yogurt pod dispensers require no sanitizing. With nearly 2 billion pods sold globally, we have a highly exciting year ahead. No matter where you are, the one-shot dispensing system is coming your way.
More information can be obtained from www.oneshot.com. That's one-shot.com. And we love to be your frozen dessert suppliers of choice.